Hey everybody, this is Wakefield from True Online Wealth again with another video. And what I want to talk to you about is a new program that every direct mail marketer or mail order marketer needs. It's a new program. It's called the Millionaire Pro Stamp Club 100. It's basically what I would call it, the big brother of the Millionaire Pro Stamp Club. How it works is you're gonna get 100 stamps if you're in position one, and the monitor gets 40 stamps. So that's 140 stamps. As you can see, I have a free space in position two. If that was fair, it would be 240 stamps for you to get going. But you send me 100 stamps and the monitor 40 stamps, and you'll be in the program. This thing is an absolute direct mail marketer's dream. It's only 140 stamps to get started. Uh, Everybody needs this who does a lot of mailing to get their programs off the ground. And all you do is just mail this flyer every week, and you get your downline to do the same thing. Because it's all about duplication to be successful with direct mail. So that's all you got to do is just get your downline to do the exact thing you doing and just rinse and repeat and get hundreds of stamps or thousands of stamps. Just imagine your name on thousands of flyers that you and your downline got out there, or maybe even tens of thousands of flyers with your name on each and every one of them. So that means you got a chance to get 100 stamps off all of those thousands of flyers you got out there in circulation working for you. You know, you got your downline marketing for you. I mean, it's just nothing like it. It's nothing like getting paid residual stamps off your downline's marketing efforts, and then you mail in too. And like I say, if you mail other stuff, mailing your bills, and you might mail some people some thank you cards, or you can just use the stamps for anything. You can even sell your books of stamps if you just got so many. You can sell them for like 10 a book, or whatever you think the value of the book of stamps is worth to sell to somebody. So this program, people love this program. It's just very popular. Like I say, you're gonna send me 100 stamps, and you're gonna send the monitor 40 stamps. It would be 240 stamps, but it's only 140 stamps total. Because I got a free space right there, as you can see on my flyer. But like it says, generate thousands of stamps with this extremely powerful stamp program. Like I say, you're gonna get your own flyer. You're gonna get your marketing kit on how to promote this. So it's really nothing else to say. This program is just there's something definitely you wanna, put in your envelopes with your other offers, because everybody needs stamps, and people that's doing direct mail marketing, mail order marketing campaigns, postage costs a lot of money these days. And it ain't nothing like free stamps. So with that being said, I'm gonna put the link to my blog down below. And then once you get to my blog, just click on the mail order programs tab, and you can see all my mail order programs, and you can get the PDF to this so you can send it in and join. Remember, nothing happens if you don't take action. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell to the right of the subscribe button. And I got plenty of stuff to all my subscribers coming soon. So I've been doing this a long time, so you definitely want to stay tuned and keep an eye on this channel. But the Millionaire Pro Stamp Club 100 is one powerful stamp program. Like it says right there, extremely powerful stamp program. So click on the link to my blog and go to the mail orders tab. Subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell and stay tuned for the next video. Y'all have a good day. Bye.